It's like same issue, man. So my question to y'all, has this ever happened to your car on a Dodge Charger or a Dodge Challenger? And when I say has this happened, I mean knocking noise. Like uncontrollable knocking noise when y'all come to a red light, when you turn your car on after it's just sitting. This is after it's warmed up, by the way. Because it don't happen in the morning. When I drive my car, it don't happen in the morning. But when I leave work, it's constantly doing it when I stop at a red light. It's a loud knocking noise. Very loud knocking noise. You think you're like something's loose in your engine. It's that bad.